Hola. Hello. I don't hear nothing.
Okay, are you guys hearing me?
Yes.
All right, so switching over to the board. That is very dirty right now.
Oh, I can't see anything.
Huh?
Can hardly see. I will try.
What's happening? Why can't you see?
It's too blurry. I
It's
can't
not
really
blurry
see
on my
from
end.
far.
Anybody else who seen the board blurry?
It didn't come up on my side yet.
What's that?
Oh, yeah, I can see it now.
Anyone else who seen the board blurry?
Daddy, I guess the screen does open.
So what happened is you have to double click on the screen.
Okay. The letters on time kind of blurry. Right, it's good, you know.
Can you see better now?
Yeah, a little better.
So I guess the internet probably dropped or something. It's still the internet. So I'm going to fill in some stuff here and you will tell me
So long way out the bedroom.
what is
Oh,
a quarter as a percentage. What is a quarter as a percentage? Huh? Hello?
$25.
So a percent. What would that be?
25%.
How do you get that? How would you get that?
A quarter multiplied by 100.
So a quarter multiplied by 100 is 25%.
25%.
What about a quarter as a decimal? So now it would be
0.25.
What about 50%? What is 50% as a fraction? In its simplest term. What is 50% as a fraction? I don't know why the internet. So it's a half. And what's it as a decimal? What's a half and a 50% as a decimal?
0.5.
0.5, 0.5. What about 0.75 as a percentage?
35?
35?
No. 35?
0.75 as a percentage.
33%. My bad.
Where you got 33? Where you got 33? So pick up the pattern. There's a pattern. 75%, right? There's a pattern. 75%, 0.75. 50%, 0.5. You can put 50 if you want. 25%, 0.25. You saw the pattern?
Yeah.
What is 75% or 0.75 as a simple as a fraction in its simplest form?
Three-quarter.
3/4. Yes? These are,
Yeah.
I don't understand why it's so blurry. Yeah? It really isn't usually this blurry. The internet, I don't know what's happening.
It's not blurry on my screen again, though. Not all that blurry, but I just have problem with my eyes. That's the thing. I just can't. Not all that blurry.
So these are the basic fractions and percentages and decimals that you should know off the back. Right? If you want to learn it, you can. If you don't want to learn it, you can as well. You'll reap the rewards or the consequences of your choice. Yes?
Yeah.
All right. I wanted to get into sequences, but I don't think that's something I want to start at this hour. We've been doing a lot of basic work, and I think that I don't want to get into sequences. We also what we could revise is I'm erasing the board. I would hope that you all have it by now. What we could also revise is some consumer arithmetic, because we got into some consumer arithmetic with regards to where did we stop, Dominique? On sales, what? Consumer arithmetic.
Just a second. Maybe I'll be about it. That we reach discount.
Okay.
Yeah, discount.
What's a discount? What is a discount? Oh, my board, it's showing nice and clean now on my laptop. What's a discount? Come on, y'all, let's move quick. Why you making the class so hard? Come on, let's move quickly. What's a discount?
A discount is like a percentage of the price.
So now that people talking, everybody wants to talk at the same time. When nobody talking, nobody wants to talk. So one person, what's a discount?
A discount is the percentage you moved off of the original price.
A percentage that you get off of the original price. Very good. Somebody else, what is a loss?
Sorry, never mind. That's not.
Whatever y'all think a loss is. What is a loss? Shanice, you could always unmute to answer and mute back, right? What's a loss? Nobody knows what's a loss? What's a profit?
How much money you gain on the item?
How much money you gain on the item? So therefore a loss would be what?
Much money you lost on the item.
Right. So what does inclusive mean? Inclusive. Anyone, what's inclusive? Nobody knows what's inclusive? You all know it's an all-inclusive? Of course you all know what's an all-inclusive. What does that mean? What does an all-inclusive mean to you?
Plenty.
What's that?
Like plenty.
Plenty. So when you think about an all-inclusive party, what does that mean?
Anything you could think about will be the, I don't know, just now.
Okay. So all-inclusive means everything is included.
Well, I want to, right, I want to say.
Right? So it means that if I pay $5,000 to go an all-inclusive party, it means that when I go there, I don't have to pay for any single thing again. Because whether I eat, whether I drink, whether I do whatever I want, everything is covered in the cost already. It was all inclusive in the cost, right? So it was included, or it is included. So inclusive goes back to included, to include. So it's already in something. Exclusive would be the opposite, which would be exempted from, not belonging, not in it already. Yes? So it's outside of that. Yes?
Yeah.
All right. So I put VAT inclusive and VAT exclusive. What is VAT? What is VAT?
How to okay. But how to explain it?
What's VAT?
What is the added tax?
Right, value added tax, right? So a VAT is a form of tax. That, and who does VAT go to?
The customer pay for?
Depends.
Who does VAT go to?
It depends on the kind of, if it's a business or something.
So
the materials.
So the VAT always goes to the government.
Okay.
So whether you pay for the VAT, whether you pay for VAT on your food or VAT on your clothes, and it goes to the owners of the grocery or it goes to the owners of the clothes store, they then have to pay the government that percentage. Yes?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we had so we understand those few words. Profit. If you buy something and you're going to sell it back for more money, you're going to make a profit. If you bought something and you have to sell it for less money, you're going to make a loss. A discount is a percentage of a price that you should pay. You got it for a little cheaper. Inclusive means included, exclusive means excluded. So cost price is always 100%, right? Cost price is always 100%. Yes?
Yeah.
And now you're going to have you can either make a loss selling price or profit selling price, right? Yes? So your loss selling price will be less than 100% because you're going to sell it for less. So it's going to be 100% minus your loss percent, right?
Yeah.
Or it will be 100% what? Profit. So what?
Multiply?
No. Why?
No, add.
Why are we multiplying? Adding?
Oh my God, add.
Adding what?
The profit percent?
So adding your profit percent. Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Right. So your selling price could either be a loss or a profit. Your loss will be less than 100, your profit will be over 100, right? So if I tell you that my selling price is 125%, is this a loss or a profit? What do you gather from this? Did I make a profit or did I make a loss? Huh?
A loss?
Why a loss? Why a loss? Go ahead, whoever said loss, why a loss? Dominic, did you say loss?
Because,
Did you say loss?
yes, I was going to answer why I said loss. Because the selling price take already 125%. I don't know how to explain it.
This is not a takeaway. I'm telling you that the selling price is 125%.
Oh.
Is this a profit or is this a loss?
Profit.
Why?
Because it is more than 100%.
More than 100%. Very good. Abinata, are you following? Huh?
Yes.
All right. If my selling price, SP, is 70%, is this a loss or a profit?
A loss.
A loss. Because if I paid 100%, anything below 100% is a loss, anything over 100% is a profit. Yes? Everyone got that right?
Yeah.
Of course, you feel free to jot this down, right? Profit, loss. Now, if I have stuff like, this, the price of a television is $2,100, but inclusive of 15%. What is the VAT exclusive price? So the price that they gave you here, the VAT is included or excluded in the 2,100?
Inclusive.
Inclusive. So therefore, how much percent is this $2,100 equal to? The cost is always how much?
100%.
100%.
So the cost price percentage is 100%, and we also have the
VAT.
115.
the
The VAT.
percent VAT. And this is equal to 115%, right?
Yeah.
So the 115% is equal to how much money?
The 2,100.
2,100. Everybody understands that? So it's the cost price plus the VAT is the 2,100, which is 115%, right?
Yeah.
Any questions? Feel free to let me know. So 115% is equal to the 2,100. Now, if I was to find 1%, what would it be? See how everything comes back? 1% is how much? Go ahead quickly. 1% is how much? How to find 1%?
100 over.
Nope.
No.
How to find 1%, anyone?
By multiplying.
No. How to find 1%? We just said there's 2,100 over 115, which is how much?
Um, 18.2.
18 points?
26.
26. How to find 100%?
One 18 multiply by 100.
Shanice, are you still having problems with finding your 1% or finding your one part? Huh? Why is that? You're just dividing this by this. That's all the 1% is. That's only one part is. You're dividing the two quantities that are above. The right divided by the left. That's all that it is. So if I say 60, and we did some questions on that. If I say 60% is equal to 40, 1% would just be 40 divided by 60. Right? So your right hand side over your left hand side. You find 1% and then you find any other percent you want by multiplying what we want by the 1. So if we want 100, we multiply this by 100. If we want 50, we multiply this by 50. Whichever one. Any questions? Abinato, any questions?
No.
Dominique, any questions?
No.
So this is the price exclusive of VAT. Right? Can I erase?
No, not yet. Still right there. So.
They can also ask differently. They can ask you to find 15% VAT of that. How do we work out this one now? Is this price VAT inclusive or VAT exclusive? Abinata, is it VAT inclusive or VAT exclusive?
It's inclusive.
So why they ask you to find it? So find 15% VAT of this. So would it be included?
No, exclusive.
So now they are now asking you to work it out. Yeah?
Yeah.
So it's exclusive.
But give me that.
And how to find this now? How do we work out 15% VAT?
15% of 100.
15 over
Multiply
100.
by the 80 by 1,800 and
Yes.
26. 273.9
0.9 what?
0.
Maya.
Okay, so if I add back my VAT to my price, how much will I get? 276.90 added to my cost, which is how much?
73. 273.
To how much?
273.9 add. It will be
2,099.9.
yeah.
2,099.99,
Yeah.
which is, if we round it, it will be 2,100, which is
100.
right.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll see the two ways. This may give you the price VAT exclusive. You have to work out the 15% and add it back to get this. They give you the price VAT inclusive. You have to work it back to just get your cost price alone. So this was the 100% here, right? And this was the 115%.
15%.
Yes, so this is the price with VAT. This is the price without VAT. This is the what? The 15%. Yeah, so the 100 and the 15, when you add it up, you get the 115. Yes?
Yeah.
if I send some questions on some stuff like this, would you all be able to work it out? Not what y'all should be able to work it out.
The same question, the customer.
What's that?
The same question you give us.
No, not the
The
same.
others? No, like the same question, like almost like
What's that, Dominique?
if like the example we did here just now, if we get some questions like that.
Well,
Or
I would
different.
hope so. And it may not be exactly like this on the board for you to follow the same structure, but it will be VAT inclusive, VAT exclusive, or profit inclusive, profit exclusive. It's the same thing. It's the same 100%. Adding if it's a profit, adding if it's VAT, VAT inclusive or profit inclusive, subtracting if it's VAT exclusive or profit exclusive. It's the same format. Everybody understands the format with the 100 plus something if you have to add it on, and subtract something if you have to take it away. Yes? Let me know.
Yeah.
Everyone? Everyone?
Yeah.
Abinata?
Yeah.
So I'm going to send you all those questions to do. And I would hope that you'll take your time and go through everything that you need to go through to do it correctly. Secondly, Tuesday's class, we're going to start over, right? You all are going to put in the work. Anyone here is currently working during the day?
No.
No.
Anybody here is working during the day?
No.
No.
No. Shanice? No, right?
Yeah, no.
Yeah, no. All right. So I think that you all are very, very blessed, right?
Well, pull down the table.
You are. I know that some of you probably have kids, which is not as easy to do the work that you can because it comes like you have a job. But you don't have an 8 to 4. So that means you have a little bit more time on your hands, and you need to put in your work. As you all see, last class I was in my glee because you all were working with me. This class I had to be a little bit different because you all were not working with me and you all were not doing your work at home. You all were not revising and you all were not putting in the time outside of class, and that will be very stressful for me because then I have to reteach last sessions and plus try to move on at the same time. And right now we're actually behind schedule because I am trying to go over certain things for those who now joined last week or 2 weeks ago. So don't let me sacrifice my time and sacrifice the syllabus's time, and you're not going to do the work, right? Else I would have just moved on. Y'all understand?
Yeah.
That's fair, right?
Yeah.
All right, everybody other than Dominique, that's fair, right?
Yeah.
And you all know that the structure of this class is very different. It's not like any class you would have probably been to, because we do things differently with regards to how we interact, how we teach, how we communicate, right? It's just a bit more personal. So I want you all to be accountable for yourself.
I'm ready. Check it under the couch.
Be accountable for yourself and be accountable for your actions. When you don't revise, you're keeping back the class and you further frustrate your tutor, which is cool. So I'll see you guys. Also, adults, I have a lot of other classes, right? So I need you all to remind me to send your homework, okay?
Sure.
So by like the night or in the morning, either by any night or in the morning or both, message me to get your homework. Ensure that your homework comes in the morning after class. Okay?
Yeah.
All right, cool. So I'll see you guys on Thursday, please, God.
Okay.
Yeah, so enjoy the rest of your night.